Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I did a big no-no when it comes to unboxing videos. I literally could not wait to film this bag. So I took it out of the box and I used it for one night because I was so obsessed with it. But I did get a bag and a wallet, and I still have to unbox and do a first impressions of the wallet. But the bag, unfortunately, is out of the box. But let's just go ahead and talk about it. So Joseph and Stacey is a luxury goods brand, as you can tell. It's super luxurious. This is the bag that I got, and I also got the matching wallet. Of course, as with any luxury handbag, it does come with a really nice dust bag. So this is the dust bag that the bag came in, and it has the label Joseph and Stacey stitched on right there, and the bag fits neatly into it. As you may already know if you've already been watching my videos, I love mini and micro handbags, and this fits right into the mini and micro family. It looks great with my collection, and it's just so small and classy and just everything that I need in a handbag. On the back here, for easy access, there is a pocket where I can slide my card holder or my phone or money, like whatever I need to put in here can fit right here for easy access. The top has one strap on top, and then to open the bag, this latch actually turns and releases the handle. So on the inside we have the detachable strap, which I haven't used yet, but this will actually convert the bag into a crossbody so you can go hands-free if you need to, if you're really busy. And the way that the straps work is that they clamp onto the bag here, and they attach right here onto the bag as it would for any typical designer bag. And the strap is adjustable, which I think is a really big point for me because I do like to have a custom fit for my bags. Since I'm shorter, I think that having the adjustable strap is super duper important. Back to the bag. We have another pocket here, so if you need something that's like easily accessible but more secure, because the pocket back here is kind of open, you can actually just slide everything right there. And then going inside, we also have another pocket. I love pockets. It keeps the inside of your bag so clean and neat and organized, and you can find everything without having to dig for it like a crazy person. And yeah, it's lined with a really nice luxurious canvas, and then we have another label right here. So I adore this bag, and it fit everything. It literally fit my little white Sony a5100 camera. It fit 4 boxes of Lisa lashes, and it also fit my lip gloss, a mini setting powder, and my phone. So this bag definitely packs a lot more than what you would think. And I'm just loving the metallic finish. I feel like it just goes with everything. So here's some pictures of me holding this bag with my outfit. I loved it. I got so many compliments, and so I took this bag out for a night. I loved it. It's definitely LadyCode approved. So now let's move on to the wallet, which I have not seen yet. So this is the wallet. It comes in nice padded packaging. It has a sticker right here that says Joseph and Stacey. And I just noticed there's something. Oh my god, you guys! I think that the wallet has a strap. Please be a strap. Yes. So it's not only a wallet, but it also has a removable strap. So more on this later. I need to get into the wallet. So here it is. It's wrapped again neatly. I'm just gonna go ahead and slide it out this way if I can. Perfect. And this wallet matches my bag. It's literally like a little baby. Obviously it will fit inside. And here is the inside. This is really cute. Oh my god. So the straps can attach here and here. You can see the little hooks for them. I'll do that in a second. And it opens up this way, so you can put all your dollar bills in here, and then cards go here. Here you have an inside pocket, and then you have another inside pocket, and more spaces for cards. And then at the end here you do have an expandable zipper pocket, which is cute. So you can put like all your valuables and coins in there. Let's go ahead and put on this strap so we can see what it looks like with it on. Here is the wallet with the strap on. You can wear it as a crossbody. Literally, if you're going out for a night and you just need like your keys, your ID, your wallet, like this is the way to go. Like that's all you need. And back here I just noticed there is another pocket. So cute. So yeah, this is just like the most amazing wallet ever. And of course it matches my handbag. So that was a lot. If you want to learn more about Joseph and Stacey, go ahead and click the link down below. They have a ton of like amazing like high fashion bags, and the price point is actually very affordable. So go ahead and click the link down below if you want to learn more about the brand. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.